Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about the compilation and installation of ffmpeg tool. ffmpeg is a free and open source software project, consisting of a suite of libraries and programs for handling video, audio, and other multimedia files and streams. The source code of ffmpeg can be downloaded from its official website, that is https://ffmpeg.org. Or, you can download it from the link given in the description below. As you see, I already downloaded the source code to my desktop. First, right-click on the file, and click Extract here. Then, open the folder, and open Terminal here. Then, type /configure in the terminal. It is showing that the NASM installed in our system is very old. To solve this, we need to give disable x86asm as a parameter for configure script. Type /configure disable x86asm. Now, the configuration files are created successfully. The enabled parameters like encoders, decoders, in devices, out devices, filters extra are shown here. Now, to compile the source code, type make -j. Now, we can see that the compilation of the code is started. I increased the speed of video by 8 times. The compilation is successfully completed. To install the software, first log in as root user. Then type make install to install the ffmpeg tool in our system. To test the working of it, type ffmpeg. It will show the version of libraries of ffmpeg. To know the options available in ffmpeg, type ffmpeg-h in terminal. Here, you can see various options available in ffmpeg. Now, I am going to test the working of ffmpeg. For that, I am going to grab the screen using X11 grab, an MPEG-4 encoder to save it as MP4 file. For that, I am open Terminal in Videos folder. Then, type ffmpeg-f, X11 grab. -s, then type resolution of screen. -r, 30, for the frame rate. Then, -i:0.0 plus 0,0, for select the first display. Then, -v codec MPEG-4, for select MPEG-4 as encoder. Then -q scale, 0, for video quality. Then, output file name, test.mp4. Now, you can see that ffmpeg is working, and it is grabbing the screen, using X11 grab, and save as video file named test.mp4. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for a lot more information tips.